Your types of design board should now look like this, or it doesn't have to be in this exact order, but you should have 8 sections on your types of design board. Now I want to show you the easiest way to add things to a specific section. Over here to the right-hand side, if you're using Chrome, which is the browser I recommend using, click on the 3 dots. This will give you access to some of the settings. Now down here, there's an option for more tools and extensions. Now yours is going to look a little bit different. These are the extensions that I have installed on my computer. What I can do is I can search for extensions. Now, if this does not work for you, I'll show you another way in a different video on how to link stuff to your board. But for this one, I want to show you the easiest way to do it. So with Pinterest, mine says remove because I've already installed it. Yours should say install. Run the installation, and what will show up is this little Pinterest button right up here in the top right-hand corner. Now, let me show you how this is going to be useful. Now, I'm going to open up Google, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up visual identity graphic design examples. So I'm going to be looking for, like, say, corporate identity. And I'm going to backtrack a little bit. I'm just going to go straight to images. So these are different things that show up for different kinds of branding, showing that the logo, the colors, and maybe the graphics are used consistently throughout all of the individual pieces. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for 2 to 3 examples of branding identity, and then 2 to 3 examples of environmental, and so on. I like this Subway one. This is interesting because I can see it's being used on the aprons, on the cups, on their stationery. I like the consistent use of colors. So notice when I move my mouse over these, this little red save button shows up. This is amazing. I love this. Click on it. Now I can scroll down. I can find which board do I want to put it on. I want to put it on this types of design. And then not only am I putting on the types of design, I can choose which section I want to put it in. So I'm going to choose visual identity. And I'm going to click on see it now. This will take me there. And then now in the comments, I can type in quickly why. Why do I like this? What is it that's cool about this? I really like the consistent colors. I like that the logo is being used in different ways. And then I can save. Then click done. Let me hit back. And let me show you where that shows up on your board. So click on here. And now that one's pinned to that board. So you can continue to do the same thing here. You can look through and see other things that might grab your attention. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm going to do save. Choose types of design. Visual identity. And then I'll type in a comment. I'm really going to look at that. I like, oops, look too far. It just backed me out of it. There we go. So you can type in that and then hit save. I'm going to leave out the comment for right now. I can always go back and edit that later. I want to be able to quickly get through this to show you stuff and then show you another thing. If you had problems with that, the other way you can save links. The internet connection is going rather slow right now, which I think is going to be the story for the year. Get back out here to Pinterest. Clicking on my account over here to the right. And I'm going to click on my types of design board. And now I've got 2 images there. And if I click on that section, now I've got those. So you're going to find 2 to 3 of each category. And then in a future video, I will show you how to do the screencast and explain what you're going to talk about in that screencast.